Hey everybody, today we're moving another hot tub. I wanted to kind of show everybody this hot tub. This is a kind of a buyer beware. Certain hot tubs that you move can be moved from place to place to place and you never have a problem. This spa right here is what they call a Sundance Spa. Sundance spas are fantastic spas when they're brand new. They're fantastic when they're 4 or 5 years old. The minute they get about 6 to 10 years old and older than that, a Sundance spa that appears to look good on the outside, when you go to move it, sometimes does not look good. When we went to move this spa, the whole side came off of it. This particular spa used to have 2x4s that went across. You can kind of see the outlay for the bottom. The whole bottom of this spa fell out. This spa is about maybe 14, 15 years old, maybe early 2000s, so it could be 17 years old. But when the homeowner was looking at it, it appeared to be a good spa. But historically, over the years since we've been moving hot tubs, we have found that Sundance is not one spa that likes to move very well. And the reason why is because the entire frame, all the way around this right here, and then this right here is all wood. And what happens is the screws rust out, the nails rust out, and it ends up falling apart. So I just wanted to kind of show this as a buyer beware. When you're looking at a Sundance Spa, it is a good quality product and the company is fantastic. But after years of them sitting in a backyard, you might end up with a pile of junk. Well, we now have the hot tub up on the trailer. You can tell that there's been rodents inside of here. You can see what they've been chewing up and stuff. And if you look inside here really closely, you can see the rodent poop. So this hot tub has been chewed up. Somebody went and cut that out, I think, to get the rodents out of there and stuff. You can see at the bottom where it's all rotted away here. You can see all the stuff on the inside right here. So there's definitely been rodents in the side of this hot tub. So that's why I always tell homeowners, when you're looking at a used hot tub, either buy from somebody that knows how to refurbish them, or really do your due diligence and really check it out. Otherwise, you could wind up with a big pile of junk and a mess.